Episode 3, Joystick Folding and Adjustment. Short press the Sys button to enter the system menu, then use the right page button to navigate to the hardware page. Scroll down to Calibration. Short press the ENT button to enter the calibration interface. At this point, click ENT. Set the sticks, knobs, and wheel switches to center position. Then press the ENT key again to save the center calibration point. Next, move both sticks to their max range in each direction, up, down, left, and right to complete the full cross-shaped movement, ensuring that each direction reaches its max value. Repeat the same steps for the knobs and wheel switches, moving them to both maximum and minimum travel. Then press Confirm to complete the transmitter stick calibration. Lift both sticks upward horizontally. Fold them inward to complete the joystick storage. When switching the throttle from the left stick to the right stick, loosen the centering switch screw on the left joystick until the left stick can return to center. Adjust the tension screw for the left joystick spring plate to the desired strength. Then tighten the centering switch screw on the right joystick until the right stick no longer returns to center. Adjust the tension screw for the right joystick spring plate to the desired strength. After switching the joystick configuration, you also need to enter the radio system menu to set the corresponding stick mode. The Commando 14 is set to mode 2 by default. You can change it according to your preference. Short press the Sys button to enter the system menu, navigate to the right to find radio setup, then scroll down to mode, and select the desired stick mode in the mode option. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.